Alright, so welcome back. It's been a while since we've been here working on the big rig, but yeah, we managed to find some time. As you can see, a lot has happened since we were last in here. A lot of nothing. So, but it will be cleaning the Pajero's transmission and potentially stripping it over there. I need to get the transfer case off. It's a big transfer case. I need to get the transfer case off, clean this whole thing down, and start getting ready to take whatever internals from this Aisin transmission and put it onto this Aisin transmission. As well as we might even get stuck into the winch. The winch also needs a little bit of TLC, as you can. It works perfectly fine, and it's got a stupid amount of power and torque, but it's just really noisy. I'm sure I've spoken about this before in another video, so we might be taking that apart over here. Move these and just stripping it down and seeing what we need to do. Just clean it up. We'll have to sand this all down, some sandpaper, maybe get it sandblasted, and then just one by one just fix up all of this. It seems to be done real shoddy, but that's about it for today. Nothing too major that we're planning on doing. We've managed to sort out the lockup quite nicely in a sense of space to work on vehicles, which is a good thing. But yeah, the deeper and deeper I get into this Pajero, the more and more I start to realize that this is going to cost a lot of money. But it is what it is. We don't do it because it's cheap, right? We do it because... Why do we do it again?
Savage little baby and Fenty, baddest little Betty the century. Internet blow up, superstar I don't touch. Showing off, causing a frenzy. She leaving an imprint in your memory. Energy, focus, superstar glow up. Superstar glow up, fit drip so sick, man, I'm all throw up. Yeah, take it in, don't rush, need 10 hours sleep, yeah, just woke up. Blessings on blessings, just keep coming on at me high speed. Check out the positive in like it's Nike. Hottest headline or the festival, 100 racks for a piece of my schedule. They all thought I was delusional, but I'm a manifesto of miracles. Best dress, I'm on the list on the internet, upload a clip and hit me a lick. Oh my god, I'm so rich, couple milli just off of the clicks. Savage little baby and Fenty, baddest little Betty the century. Internet blow up, superstar don't touch. Showing off, causing a frenzy. She leaving an imprint in your memory. Energy, focus, superstar glow up. Light, shine bright, superstar illuminate through the night. Yeah, my light, shine bright, superstar. Yeah, she one of a kind. Baby be shining bright like a diamond. Meditate daily, baby enlightened, baby make racks, baby spend cash, baby go get it and she don't gotta ask. Baby gon' run it up like an athlete, plays gold at the track meet. At the stadium show going super hard, cause baby a superstar. Just bought a crib out of lake, off of the grid and out of LA. Spirit awake, life is amazing, don't waste a day. Learn from the L's and mistakes. Baby so glowed up, baby focused, got my eyes on me. Baby made so much, feeling generous, 6 figs in a week. Savage little baby and Fenty, baddest little Betty the century. Internet blow up, superstar don't touch. Showing off, causing a frenzy. She leaving an imprint in your memory. Energy, focus, superstar glow up. My light, shine bright, superstar illuminate through the night. Yeah, my light, shine bright, superstar, yeah, she one of a kind.
Top 10 radar, yeah, we on your radar. Never miss, dog, and that's on occasion. Yeah, we on your radar. Yeah, we on your.
Look, top floor lifestyle, chef and boy, I'm cooking up.
up too high, ain't coming down. You'll see me if you looking up. I don't really talk too much, I show I'm running numbers up. Lucky that I'm showing up, I'm going off, they know what's up. Wrist too silly, yeah. Numbers crack the Billy, yeah. Don't need no dilly, I'm too fresh, I feel like really, really, yeah. Feel the duffels up, the sign, I need a million. I'm about to take off, and I know that I'm on their radar. Top 10 radar, yeah, we on your radar. Never miss, dog, and that's on occasion. Yeah, 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 we on your radar. Yeah, 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 we on your. Look, I know God got his hand on me. I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be. So when they know my name overseas, that is something God oversees. Living life they think is make believe. It ain't magic, nothing on my sleeve. Never noticed what you had to give, but want a piece of what you do receive. Wrist too silly, yeah. Numbers crack the Billy, yeah. Don't need no dilly. I'm too fresh, I feel like Willie, Feel the duffels up the sign, I need a million. I'm about to take off, and I know that I'm on their radar. Top 10 radar, yeah, we on your radar. Never miss, dog, and that's on occasion. Yeah, 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 we on your radar. Yeah, 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 we on your.
Okay, so we swinging away, but blocked off. Now I'll just put that back to speed sensor, and I've blocked off pretty much everywhere now that water can get in, and yeah, let's clean.
Bass hit your when the bass hit your face, you be like. When the bass hit your face, you be like.
When the bass hits your face, you be like.
When the bass hit your face, you be like.
When the bass
Give me something now to get the people. I got something now to get the people. Give me something now to get the people. I got something now to get the people. Bass hit your when the bass hit your face, you be like. When the bass hit your face, you be like.
When the bass hits your face, you be like.
When the bass hit your face, you be like.
When the bass
Give me something now to get the people. I got something now to get the people. Give me something now to get the people. I got something now to get the.
Actually, turned out a lot better than I thought. Actually looks like a piece of metal now, not some mud covered transmission case, transfer case, whatever. Some water got in here, but I'm not too worried about that. I'll drain it out, flush the transfer box a couple of times once I get the project running. But all of these will be replaced. And yeah, I'll do that when I get all of them, because obviously there's specific ones for specific places. And that'll be a nice little addition. I'd also like to take all of these brackets off, individually sand them down, spray them, and just give the box a little bit of a new lease on life. But yeah, now the big homemade ham, chicken, cheese and lettuce sandwich. Man's gotta eat, you know. Lunch is lunch. How many people you know are lucky enough and blessed enough in life to have that view outside of their workshop? Look at this. Big beautiful body of water over there. Rolling hills over there. Sun's even coming out a little bit, eh? Would you look at that? Yeah. Beautiful. I mean, really, this place is so tranquil. It's like peace. Peace with pieces of metal. Should have named a YouTube channel that instead of Mind the Mechanic, huh? Peace and pieces of metal. Oh well. Hindsight's always 20/20.
Why do they talk like gangsters, but they don't move like gangsters? Why do they walk like gangsters, but they don't move like gangsters? Why do they act like gangsters, but they don't move like gangsters? Why do they rap like gangsters, but they don't move like gangsters? Change don't change like it used to. Who runs the roost round here? The coop's gone clear. Got the heart from the bass to the snares, but the word is what's keeping them here. Word to my peers, the work don't stop till the top. Think it's resting, but we're not. I spread the message and it's love. I get the S and the P and the R from above. I see the restless with the keys and the palm for the bump. A bit of grinding up the herb is what I'm on. Shouts go out to mums. This one is the icy one. Go get the long johns. 50 Pret in London, if it's on then I'm on. I know they feel it when I spit, it's like the Missy song. Shut your noise, silence when I run the voice. S-P-R. In your ears, open your mind. Why do they talk like gangsters, but they don't move like gangsters? Why do they walk like gangsters, but they don't move like gangsters? Why do they act like gangsters, but they don't move like gangsters? Why do they rap like gangsters, but they don't move like gangsters? Tell your favorite rapper that I'm here, not to clash, I'm gon' collab a lot this year. Maxing out the bang, don't need no gloves or masks for that. I got this yapper ear, a geezer with the tracks they want to hear. Been this way for years, still they sending messages in bottles. Was this really meant or was it not for? Can't connect the dots, I got this smelly in my pocket, I forgot yo. Strictly high grade and that's the motto, unless the plug is awful. Don't do OZs, not the other lab, been left alone to be my own steez. Now they clock on, race to the bottom. I see it all, I know my options. Never gonna stop unless I often. Not Billy and Mandy, you're dealing with me and the beast, a different beast. Not feeling the average, I come with the elegant steez and do as I please. I am a mountain to a molehill, highlight of the show reel. Love me cause I'm so real. Gangsters, but they don't move like gangsters. Why do they walk like gangsters, but they don't move like gangsters? Why do they act like gangsters, but they don't move like gangsters? Why do they rap like gangsters, but they don't move like gangsters?
you. Tryna find time when away. I've been asking what's the issue, and you just lied to my face. Could afford me, that's a nice one. I've been out fighting like Tyson, tryna find light when the night come, tryna find light in the day. On the weekend, you been leaving, I've been tripping, yeah, geeking, drinking. Way too much for me, way too much for me, way too much for me. I've been tripping, I know that. Got the tune on, and it's dope back, like T-Pain, need all that. Why won't you say my name? I got no words for you, I got no words for you. I got no words for you, I got no words for you.
Look at all the shit that came off of it. So yeah, we had a couple of spots of dirt that we need to get off still, but for the most part, I like it. Okay, my plan is actually I would like to, once I've disassembled this transmission, I would love to spray the oil pan, spray the housing as well, and get it all cleaned up and looking decent again, you know? Because it really isn't so bad. It's just caked in years of dirt and what do you expect for a four-wheel drive vehicle? It's usual, you know? So, let's carry on.
I'll be gone by the time you change your mind, baby. No words you can say like a mind, baby. Got no words for you, not even no sign language that you could say.
You're probably wondering why you're looking at me right now. Well, that's because, unfortunately, ran out of GoPro footage. So what I have and what you're viewing in this video is it for now. I'll be adding some more stuff later on. I got a a lot of videos of me stripping the transmission. So most of it is really well, it's really well recorded. So hopefully it comes out a lot better than I thought. Well, I think it will. But anyway, other than that, just like to say, yo, hope you're all looking after yourselves. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe, and see you for the next one. Cheers.
This is what you're waiting